Hey, Personal Finance. So we're going to look at this spreadsheet called Investing Young. This is going to really drive home the point about that you should start investing your money, saving your money right now. We're working with two different scenarios. One where you start investing at age 19 and you start saving $2,000 a year until you are 65. That's not true. Until you are 26. And that at age 26, you just stop and that money just sits there and gains compound interest. So what you're going to do here is, and if you need to, there's cell formulas here if you want to see like what it's going to look like one by one, but you might be able to figure that out from here also. So you're going to start at age 19. The number of years that the money is compounding is going to be 65, the age that you're collecting that, and minus 19. If you want to make something into a formula, remember you need the equal sign there. This one, let me just remove the income or the equal sign so you can see that there. And remember, when you do add that equal sign, again, this is just the compound interest formula right there. So when you add that equal sign, bloop, then it turns into a formula that calculates for you. It's not working right now because this is not a formula. Let's try that again. Okay, so spoiler alert, it's going to be a lot of money. When you have a formula like this, you can drag it down and it's going to keep calculating based on the what's in the other cells around it. Okay, so then you are going to compare that with what happens if you wait to start investing until age 26 and save all the way until you're 65, how the amount that you can earn from that time period compares with what you can earn if you start investing for 10 years, before you get married, before you have kids, all that stuff. How does that compare? So if you have a hard time with this, do not worry, do not fret, do not stress a whole lot about it a whole lot, because we're going to work on it during sync time today also. If you are done with it already during sync time, you can have some free time or some time to go back to other things you might be missing. But if you need help on it, then I will be there and you can ask me questions. We can work on it together. Okay? So good luck. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you guys soon.